Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring virtualization is enabled and the host has network access. Once done, open Vmware and select the VM you will configure. Shut down the guest. You cannot change adapter type while running. Then click Settings, choose Network Adapter, and observe current mode. This first step places you where configuration happens, so you can pick NAT, bridged, or host only. Make sure you note the current adapter type before changing it, since you may need to revert settings later. Now focus on the how and why of each mode. Choose NAT if you want the guest to share the host IP and avoid extra network setup. Pick bridged when the VM must appear as a separate machine on the LAN. For isolation, choose host only. Click Advanced to set or spoof a MAC address, toggle promiscuous mode, and pick VMXNet 3 for performance or E1000 for compatibility. If bridged is chosen, explicitly map the VM to the correct physical NIC to prevent routing to the wrong network. Apply your changes and power on the VM, then verify networking using ipconfig or ifconfig and a ping to the gateway. If you lack connectivity, make sure VMware network services are running and the host firewall or security software isn't blocking traffic. Also check the virtual switch and mapped physical NIC. If problems persist, try reverting adapter type or deleting and recreating the virtual network adapter. Sometimes driver or MAC conflicts require recreating the NIC to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.